Whoop. Hey guys, it's Michael here from Love Lawn. Got a hot tip for you. Winter's coming and yeah, things are getting a bit bleak out there. So you're going to want to do everything that you can to brighten your winter. And as part of that, I'm going to ask you right now to subscribe to the channel here on YouTube and hit the little notification bell next to the subscribe button to be notified as new videos are released. There's a reason for that, and it's because you want to find out if you've won a prize. This prize is pretty awesome, and I'm pretty excited to be part of this drawing together with someone else who shall remain unnamed for the time being. You'll know who it is when the prize is drawn, but for now, just wanted to let you know it's coming, it's happening, and it's all happening here on Love Lawn. So if you want to be part of it, if you want a chance to win, you need to subscribe so that you can watch the video where your name is drawn so that you can get in contact with us to claim your prize. If not, the draw will happen again, it will be repeated, and someone else will take the prize. So, as I say, click the subscribe button here on YouTube, down below, or wherever it is if you're watching in full screen. Click on the notification bell to be notified as all new videos are released. So select the all option when you click on the bell, and check back every once in a while to see if you are the lucky winner. All you need to do is notify us that you want to claim your prize once it's been drawn, basically. Pretty exciting stuff, pretty easy to win, so yeah, the odds are pretty good on this one, guys. So like I say, get on there, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and yeah, just watch the videos, keep an eye out for what's coming, because yeah, this one's gonna blow someone's mind.